In today's episode, I'm doing a tablescape. So if you're interested in seeing how it all comes out, you know what to do. Stick around. I didn't do that much out here. I have my St. Patrick's Day flag. And then I have a new mat for St. Patrick's Day. It says Happy St. Patrick's Day. If it's inside a mat, I got those off of Amazon. Of course, I have my plant out here that I have all the time. Nothing new. And then I have my black lady on the door with her green to go with St. Patrick's Day. And that was a gift from my daughter. Now that mat, I bought it last year, right after St. Patrick's Day. So I would have it for this year. So then we're going to go in and show you where the table is sitting. Alright, this is my St. Patrick's Day tablescape. Very simple, only use items I already had on hand. I didn't want to go and purchase anything. I'm trying to do as many tablescapes this year on a no spend budget. Okay, so let's start here. Okay, I have two black plaid table runners. I put one on this side and one on the other side, so you know that all settings are the same. Then I included one of the Dollar Tree clover like mats, and then I added a charger plate from Hobby Lobby, and onto that I added a Dollar Tree plate, you know, the ones that are square. And then in the center, a clover from the Dollar Tree. Now I have some plaid napkins with a clover napkin ring that came from Amazon. And then I have this wonderful, beautiful stemware that I got from Hobby Lobby. They were marked $10.99, but when I got them, I think they were 50% off when I bought them, and then I had the coupon. So they ended up costing me about, I think it was like $3 a piece, and I got me a set of 6. So each setting, as you know, is the same. Now my pillow covers came from Amazon. I've had them a while. That plaid one there, I think that is so pretty with the clover. And then the other one is a hat. I think it's gorgeous. Now for my centerpiece, it's very simple. I have some clovers It's a large, a medium, and a small. They're plaid. They're green on one side, plaid on the other. So I put the black plaid, the white plaid here on the front. And then the lucky hat that came from the Dollar Tree. Now, very simple tablescape. Now let me know what you think of my St. Patrick's Day tablescape and outside down below. You know I love reading your comments. Now again, this was a no spend. Everything you've seen for this St. Patrick's Day was already in my stash. And don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. Doesn't hurt you, but it helps me. And as always, I'll see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below and you'll be blessed.